but when I tell y'all, heads were turning and it was the most basic outfit ever. Hey everybody, so I'm back with a little vlogmas. I'm gonna really try to do 10 days of vlogmas starting today, the day that I'm posting this video. So we're gonna do 10 days of vlogmas, and I'm just going to be doing some hauls, a little bit of like mental health content, and I wanted to show you guys a few things that I got on Amazon. So we're gonna start this off with my mini Amazon haul. I just got a few things for the fall, you know, to add to my wardrobes. I got some really cute shoes. I wore them to the mall yesterday and I got so many compliments. So I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I just kind of put together. It was nothing fancy, but when I tell y'all, heads were turning and it was the most basic outfit ever. Like, I was walking to the restroom at the mall and I'm by myself, you know, and just like walking minding my business, and this like cute little Asian lady, I'm walking into the bathroom and she's coming out, and she, when I tell you she had whiplash, she turned around like, and I was like, you know what, yes ma'am. I didn't say this to her, and I was just thinking in my head like, ma'am, yes, I'm wearing these boots to the mall. I don't care if everyone's underdressed. I bought these boots and I'm gonna wear them wherever the hell I want, whether it's the mall or going to take out the trash. Maybe not the trash, but y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna show you a few of my winter, fall outfits that I put together. Nothing crazy. I am a very simple girl. If you know me, like, I used to be like super into colors and like all this stuff. Now I just wear black, white, and tans, and I'll put a pop of color every now and then. But here are a few of my fall wardrobe choices. First up, I have these brown leather pants that I got on Amazon. They fit really well. You know, I'm a little bit chubby. I have my little pudge, so they fit well. They fit my butt well. I will insert a clip of me wearing them here in my full outfit. So this is just something that I put together. You can see I just have a really nice plush white sweater on with the leather pants, and I just paired it with some orange soda pumps that I have. I could wear it with a boot as well, but I haven't found the boot quite yet, so I'll update this outfit when I get the boot. This is a really simple winter look. Just pair it with your favorite purse, whatever color you like, or pair it with an orange purse. I have a small mini purse that I can pair it with. And here we go to the next one.
Okay, so this is the infamous outfit that had everyone just gagging at the mall, literally. A few of the girls at Sephora did walk up to me and they were like, "Where did you get these boots? They're so cute." And you know, they are from DSW. These are Steve Madden. I think this outfit was just really well put together. I am not a super matchy person, but I'm finding my style, and it's like luxurious comfort. That's who I am, and I love it. I also want to mention that these boots are very comfy, and I think I will get them in black.
So next up, I have this outfit that I also got on Amazon. I did get it like a size larger because I wanted it to be kind of loose and flowy, which it's perfect, and my butt looks great. So I'm gonna be pairing this outfit with these Crown vintage shoes I got on clearance at DSW because I just wanted something that was like vacation friendly, and I'm trying this on camera for the first time with the outfit, so let's see what it looks like.
So I do want to point out that I did make this background music that's playing right now. It's a song I made in GarageBand. I made the production and everything. It's never been released.
Hold up, let's get a close-up. All right, so this is a close-up of what it looks like. It is a two-piece. Like I said, my booty looks great. This is so me. I'm so happy with this. Now I just need to stop eating sugar so this pudge will go away, but that's another story for another day. I think this may be my birthday outfit, but I may get it in another color. But I absolutely love this. Hopefully, maybe my pudge will be gone by then, but we're not making any promises. So yes, this is the full outfit. I love it. I feel so amazing, and the shoes are perfect. I could probably hem them a little. I may have them tailored, maybe just take it to the dry cleaners and have them tailored, but girl, don't talk to me on vacation. Don't talk to me.